Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to manage notifications on your iPhone 16 Pro to reduce distractions. Let's get started. First, open the settings apps on your iPhone. Tap on notifications to see a list of all the apps. If there are apps you don't want to send you notifications, tap on the app name and toggle off allow notification. This will completely silence notification from that app. If you still want notifications but at a convenient time, go back to notifications menu and tap scheduled summary. Turn it on and you can schedule non-urgent notification to show up at a specific time instead of immediately. Now if you want your notifications to be less intrusive or minimize them, tap the app name and under alerts, uncheck options like lock screen or banners. You can still keep badges or sound for subtle reminders. And for quick silence, swipe down to open Control Center and tap the crescent moon icon to instantly turn off Do Not Disturb mode. That's it. With these tips, you can manage notifications easily and stay focused. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.